how to download Google account activity. When you log into your Google account, under data and privacy settings, you can manage My Activity. You can clear it, you can schedule automatic deletion, but let's imagine you wanted to download it. Then you can do that as well by pressing download your data. It's within that data and privacy section. And using Google Takeout, what you can do, you can see here, access log activity. Or you can download everything associated with your Google account. As in all activity, all backups, let's say Gmail messages. It will depend as to how you're using Google products and services, okay? So for my example, I'm using Blogger, so I can download the data from that service as well. Or I can deselect all and only select access log activity. You can see what type of activities that you'll be downloading if you want, okay? Then it's just a matter of following the prompts. You can get a link in your Gmail account and simply press download. Or you can actually save to Google Drive or other services. You can export all your activity all at once, or even schedule the export process and simply create and export. This is how you back up, as in download, Google account activity.